Good morning, students. Here we start with the next topic of maths, that is expansion formula. The next topic is expansion of a plus b whole cube. We have studied till now a plus b, a minus b, a plus b whole square, a plus b, a minus b whole square, then x plus a, x plus b. Now we will be starting with a plus b whole cube. Our first problem is a plus b whole cube. The expansion of it can be written as a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Now a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square. Expansion of it will be a plus b in bracket a plus b whole square. A plus b, now expansion of a plus b whole square, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a plus b will be multiplied with a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first term, that is a, multiplied by a square plus 2ab plus b square, then plus b multiplied by a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then when I multiply a with the whole bracket, and b with the whole bracket, what do I get? I get a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus ba square plus 2ab square plus b cube. Now 2a square b plus a square b and b square a plus 2ab square will be added. So the answer for this is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. Now this one, we don't need the explanation of all this formula. Only what do we need is very first thing, that is a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. That is first term cube plus 3 times first term square into b plus 3 times second term square into b plus b cube. This you have to learn by heart. And on that basis we will be able to solve the following problems if we learn the formula. Now here the very first problem is a plus 2 whole cube. The expansion of it is x cube plus 3x square 2 plus 3 2 square x plus 2 cube. Okay, now when I solve this, what do I get? I get x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. This is what is the final answer. Middle terms are not added, x terms are not added because they are not like terms. Okay. Now we move on to the next problem. Next problem is 3x plus 4y whole cube. That is equal to first term cube, that is 3x cube, plus 3 times first term square into second term, that is 3x square, 3 times 3x square into 4y, plus 3 times first term into second term square. Okay, so it will be 3 into 3x into 4y square plus 4y whole cube. When I solve this, what do I get? I get 27x cube plus 27 into 4 x square y plus 9 into 16 xy square plus 64 y cube. Further it is simplified, so the answer for this is 27x cube plus 108 x square y plus 144 y square x plus 64 y cube. This way we have solved the two problems. Now we move on to the third problem. In third problem, fraction cube we have to find out. Now very first term, that is 2m upon n plus n upon 2m whole cube. Now your first term cube means 2m upon n whole cube plus 3 into first term square into second term. So it will be 3 into 2m upon n whole square into n upon 2m plus 3 into first term into second term whole square. So it will be 3 into 2m upon n into n upon 2m whole square plus n upon 2m whole cube. Now in the third term, the place of the fractions can be changed. Means 3 into 2 is also 6 and 2 into 3 is also 6. So you can interchange the places of the terms. Okay. Now, when I solve this, what do I get? I get 8m cube. Cube of 2 is 8 m cube as it is upon n cube plus here some terms gets cancelled. Why? Because here 2m square upon n square into n upon 2m it will be. Okay. So 2m gets cancelled, n gets cancelled. What is left is 3 into 2 m upon n, that is equal to 6n m upon 2n. Similarly, when I simplify the third term, that will be 3n upon 2m plus n cube upon 8m cube. So this is what is the final answer. Now the same thing we will be applying on the numbers when we are supposed to find the cube of it. Okay, when the numbers are smaller till 20, we know what are the cubes of it, right? But the number greater than that, such as 41, 42, there what we have to do is we have to write in terms of binomial, that is 40 plus 1 will give me 41. Cube of that is 40 plus 1 whole cube. This type of problems we have solved for the squares of the numbers also. Okay, the same concept we have to apply. The very first term cube, that is 40 cube plus 3 into second term square into second term. Okay, that is 3 into first term square into second term plus 3 into first term into second term square plus second term cube. Okay, when I solve this, what do I get? I get 40 cube plus 3 into 40 square into 1 plus 3 into 40 into 1 square plus 1 cube. So on further simplification, what do I get? It is 40 cube is 64,000 plus, when I solve this, it is 4800 plus 120 plus 1. This we have to add. That is 68921 is the cube of 41. Okay. Next one. Now we will be dealing now the problems exercises based on a plus b whole square that you have to solve on your own. Now we will be moving to the next expansion, that is a plus b whole cube. Okay, so your first one is a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. Now a minus b into a minus b can be written as a minus b whole square. Expansion of that, so the equation turns out to be a minus b into a minus b whole square. Then further simplification, it is a minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a minus b is to be multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is a times a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here when I solve, it is a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus minus ba square plus 2ab square minus b cube. So further solving, it is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. Okay, the next problem, the problem based on it is a minus 2 whole cube. Okay, now here it is first term cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube. Okay, so the expansion of this is a cube minus 3a square into 2 plus 3 square into a minus 2 cube. So that is equal to a cube minus 6a square plus 12a minus 8. Further, next problem now, it is 4p minus 5q whole cube. So When I solve this, what do I get? I get 4p whole cube minus 3 4p square into 5q plus 3 5q square into 4q plus 5q. So that is equal to 64p cube minus 240p square cube plus 300q square p plus 125q square. Last one, simplify. Now the two concepts whatever we have learned, that we have to apply in this particular problem. So the very first one is p minus q whole cube plus p plus q whole cube. So when I expand both the brackets, what do I get? I get p cube minus 3p square cube plus 3q square p plus minus q cube plus p cube plus 3p square q plus 3q square p plus q cube. Now here some of the terms get cancelled. So the very first one, that is p cube gets cancelled. The next one is sorry, p cube plus p cube turns out to be 2p cube. The second term gets cancelled. Third term is added and the fourth term gets cancelled, that is q cube. So my final answer is 2p cube plus 6p q square. So here we end up with the expansion of a minus b whole cube. The problems based on it you have to solve, complete the exercise. Okay, only last exercise is left that we will do in the next video. Thank you.